right, so
back at it again. Welcome back. Today we're gonna have
with the fresh vibes though.
Hey guys, welcome back. So
welcome back guys to Jen and Jess Finesse. We're so glad to have you guys today. Today, as you can see, we are doing a really festive look, getting the Coachella vibes.
kind of Coachella vibes, yes.
You know, since we can't be there, we might as well, you know, act like we're there, feel like we're there.
Give a little inspiration.
We did our take on a festive look. We had a really good time with it.
Yes.
Just acting up, you know.
I'm on my
regular.
worst behavior, you know, worst.
That's why the videos fast forward, because we couldn't get it together to record for y'all. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy. It's gonna be a fast tutorial look on the festivities, festive look for the concerts.
Check out our Instagrams at Jess Finesse and Jen Finesse. So
Yes.
we'll link those down below. We'll have some more pictures for you guys. And if you want to see any videos, be sure to leave a comment and we'll definitely look into it. We'll give it consideration.
We may not do it at all.
A request is a request. It's not a guarantee.
It's not a guarantee.
I'm just kidding.
No, but thank you guys for continuing to show us support. We really appreciate it, and stay tuned. This look is gonna be so dope.
What kind of look are you going for?
I'm going for a transition. So I'm gonna do a light. I'm gonna transition into some browns, some kind of burgundy tones, and then I'm gonna finish it off with a purple glow. It's gonna be super sick.
I'm gonna do something probably warm and turquoisey, bronzy, goldy. I don't know. We're going freestyle it today.
Coachella vibes for sure. Seven Heaven is what I'm going in with right now. It's gonna be this one right here.
That's pretty. And I'm going in with the Patrick Star palette. I'm using the color Saddle. And I'm just putting that all over my lid.
And I'm doing mine right on my natural brow bone. Just blending that in. I love these Morphe brushes.
They're so good. They blend really nice.
They're super dope. And I'm taking it out just a little further because I want this look to be a little bit exaggerated. And now I am taking Temptress. I'm all over here. I am now taking Wicked Games, and I'm just building, guys. Building.
All right, we're just gonna go in. We're gonna go in and I'm gonna pop on a little bit of turquoise underneath.
Now I am taking Coconut Grove.
With these types of looks, you gotta just trust the process. Cause at first, it's gonna look a little crazy. But then, when it comes together, it's gonna be like, okay, she did that.
I'm not doing with you. I can't.
It's gonna be alright.
It'll be alright.
Okay, a little cut crease action. I'm taking a little bit of the Starlit palette from Makeup Forever and just using that in my crease to add a little bit of shimmer. The color that I'm using is called Flicker, so it kind of has like that coppery tone there, if you can see that. And I like how it's just kind of adding a little bit of warmth to my eye. Yo, when that beat drops though, I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked.